Topic for the technical discussion will be deadlocks in operating system. So deadlock in the sense what you are going to discuss is what is deadlock and what are the situations deadlock occur and what are the deadlock prevention methods and algorithms used to avoid deadlock. So these are the basic technical discussion you are going to do right now. So let's start with team building, right? Okay. Technical discussion about deadlocks is a team of girls rising stars. Let's give them a big clap first of all. Let's move on to the rising star team.
Mutual exclusion, hold and wait. Mutual exclusion, two or more processes require exclusive access to a common resource. Hold and wait. A process hold resource and wait for the another resource which is held by the another process. Prevention of deadlock. Avoid mutual exclusion. Design the system to avoid mutual exclusion where possible. Avoid hold and wait. Ensure that the process does not hold the resources by waiting for the another resource. Dedication and recover from the deadlock. Dedication requires implement algorithms to dedicate deadlocks such as banker algorithm. Deadlock recover. Implement mechanism to recover from a deadlock such as rolling back, transition or uprooting process.
Real world implications of deadlock. System crashes. Deadlock can cause system crashes or freezes. Resource waste. Deadlocks can result in wasted resources such as CPU cycles or memory.
Advantages of deadlock. Force problem. Encourages finding efficient solution to remove barriers. Encourages backup systems. Helps in development efficient resources management strategies.
Resource waste and reduce availability and impact on real-time systems. Example, 9 kilos of 5 kilos of after a table with the 5 plates of food. Each philosopher needs to be supposed to eat, but there are only 5 plates available. Each philosopher picks up one food and wait for the another food at the clock and after.
Batch subversion. Banker has limited amount of money to tell to customers. If two customers each request half of the available money and each customer holds until their part by waiting for the other one, a vendor can occur. Thank you.
Give them a big clap to the we move towards boys team, future stars for the discussion. Let's welcome the team of future stars.
Our topic is about deadlock. A deadlock is an operating system occurs when two or more processors are unable to make a progress because they are waiting for each other to release resources. Example, multiple processes compete for limited resources like memory, CPU time or input and output devices.
Next thing about topic is recovery from deadlock. Yeah, deadlock is a directed recovery can be done through the process termination and resource redemption. There are two types in adapt one or more process is a break of the cycle. Resource redemption is a temporary take resource away from some process and assign them to other until the deadlock is solved.
Network condition. Initial execution. Only one process can use the resources at a time. Hold and wait. Process holding resources can request additional resources. Cyclical wait. A closed chain of process exists, where each process holds at least one resources needed by next process.
Deadlock detection algorithm. Wait for and grab. Using when each resource has a single instance convert resources allocation graph into a wait for graph, and check for cycles. Detection algorithm. For multiple instances of a resource, use an algorithm similar to the banker's algorithm to detect deadlock periodically.
Deadlock avoidance is methodology system to have real knowledge, research process in banker's algorithm. Ensures the system remains in state by granting the resource only. If allocation does not cause a deadlock. Resource allocation graph. Used for a single instance of resource, detects and avoids cycles in resource allocation.
Prediction and recovery. Prediction use algorithm to check for the cycle in the resource allocation graph. Recovery is particular process involving either deadlock or resource for the process.
So now the chance goes to the against team number 1. Okay, let's welcome them.
Let's know about deadlock. Deadlock is a situation held in the computer system where 2 or more processes gets blocked. So each one of them would be waiting for a resource to make a resource so that the blocking process would continue. Now let's go to the causes of the deadlock.
Here is the overview about the causes of the deadlock. The main reason for the deadlock is that mutual exclusion, which means the resource is non-shareable. It indicates that only one processor can make use of the resources at a time. And the another main cause is that hold and wait. Hold and wait. A process of holding a resource is waiting for an additional resource held by the process. These are the main cause of the deadlock.
Advantages of the deadlock does not necessarily to promote control, but